Once you've nailed the art of keeping everyone engaged in maintenance, it's time to level up to the next stage, scheduling efficiency. This measures how quickly your team tackles repairs and helps you spot where things are slowing down. Without these insights, you're just guessing where the holdup is. Kind of like trying to unclog a drain in the dark, it's not as gross, but just as frustrating. Median speed of repair is your Bible metric, giving you a clearer picture of how your company performs overall and how well you're delivering a smooth maintenance experience. And not to mention, it's the number one leading indicator of resident satisfaction. The industry benchmark sits around 3.4 to 6.8 days. If you're outside that range, it might be time to find out what's slowing things down before your residents start sharpening their pitchforks. Average speed of repair gives you a full picture of your repair timelines, including those frustrating outliers. It's great for understanding the overall health of your maintenance operation. But here's the catch. If your average and your median speeds have a large delta, that can be a red flag. That gap usually means certain repairs are getting lost in the shuffle, creating risks for your business and unhappy residents. Completed melds open greater than 7 days is your stale alert. It flags repairs that have surpassed the 7-day mark and risk turning into headaches for your residents and your investors. These are the work orders that often get stuck due to back orders, tricky repairs, or they just fell through the cracks. Left unchecked, they can hurt trust and satisfaction fast. Keeping an eye on this metric helps you act before things spiral. The sweet spot, 32 to 39%. Stay on top of these and you're going to keep your residents happy and your team on top of the game. Understand where the workload is bottlenecking by using the Coordinator Performance tab in Insights Pro, and you can analyze open melds per coordinator. Completed melds open greater than 14 days is the metric. Once a repair hits the 14-day mark, things get sensitive. Resident frustration spikes and the risk of bigger issues or even legal trouble can grow. Keeping this number low shows your team is on top of it, minimizing the chance of unhappy residents, bad reviews, or worse. This is the metric that everyone on your team should be rallying behind, because when repairs linger, so do the problems. Stage created to assigned. This stage is all about speed and responsiveness. It measures how quickly your team grabs a work request, troubleshoots, and gets it dispatched. Basically, how fast you can turn "we've got a problem" into "someone's on the way." The target is super tight at less than 24 hours. Tracking this is your key to improving scheduling efficiency, because slow response times here can throw off your entire repair timeline. Stage assigned to scheduled is all about speed. How quickly a vendor, tech, or coordinator locks in a time to get the job done. The industry target sits at 0.1 to 0.3 days, an easy target as the majority of work orders in Property Meld are scheduled within just 4 hours. If this number starts creeping up, it's a sign that your scheduling process might need a tune-up. And keeping it low means faster repairs, fewer headaches, and happier residents. Stage scheduled to marked complete. This measures how long it takes to get the job done once it's on the calendar. Think of it as a reality check on your team's capacity, how quickly your resources can complete repairs. The sweet spot here is 2.4 to 3.5 days. If it's taking longer, it could mean your team's stretched too thin or your processes need a tweak.